Jolly and joy.
Yeah, and when Jesus Christ was born. Okay, so we are going to be opening some gifts.
Gifts right over here.
So let's get started.
You open a present first.
Right?
You go open a present.
Mom, I open a present. Open a present. Okay.
So, which present are you gonna pick?
I don't even have any presents.
Look for one.
Wait,
Look for
is
one.
it over here? Oh, what's this one? What's this one? What's this one?
We're just looking for presents.
Very good.
Or
This
to
is
get.
Mommy. Merry Christmas from the up. No, very hot. Oh, that was for Mom.
Yeah, well, let's look around. Look around.
This one?
I see one for mine.
Oh, this for me. For me. For me. Can someone help me get out of here?
Yeah, you're kind of stuck in there, you know.
Okay. Oh, no, let me open it. Okay, let me open it.
Ready?
So,
Okay.
So, this is the present
Okay, you can read
from...
this one.
This is the present from Kuya
me.
to me.
Yay!
Okay, it's really heavy.
Eh?
Oh, yes! Right! Did I start eating it?
Here, get the mango.
Yeah!
Mommy, can you open it? Can you open it? Can you open it?
And Kuya's gonna tell you something.
Hi, Rich. You like your gift? You like your gift?
Yes, yes. Can I get
You like your gift? No, you're not real gift this
Can I get more? Can you get me more? Can you get me
Sabi
more?
mo, it's a prank. Dali, sabi mo.
It's a prank.
Actually, it's a prank.
How is this a prank?
Actual gift is
How is this a prank when it's a really good present?
Well, here you go. Here's your real.
Whoa! Show it to them. Show it to them.
Animal Crossing!
He wants Animal Crossing, and I couldn't find the gift I was supposed to get, so instead I gave him that.
I get to create my own character and look for animals, I guess, because they're animals.
Okay, well that's it. That's my turn.
That's the
I'll
only gift
open
I got.
yours.
That's the only gift I got. That's so mean. I got everybody else presents.
Oh. Gift game from Fritz, and from me for me. I can't open this. Oh, never mind. There's one. Okay, I don't.
You're gonna like this one. I just like this one. But this is the only present I got.
What?
This is the only present I got. There's
No,
no
not there. One by one.
Just need to look for them.
Kuya.
Sorry.
On the side, on the side.
Sorry for taking a while.
Sabi mo, guys, warning, don't use scissors.
Yeah. Don't use scissors. But like this. or
Don't use
anything.
it. No, don't use it.
Yeah, without
Don't
an
use
adult
it.
supervision.
Be careful, ah.
We have like 2 adults here slash our parents.
Wait, no, there's another one right other
Oh,
side.
I really hope you like this.
Okay. The
No,
final.
the one more T-shirt is
Hey, what is this?
It's a division. Devotion.
Ooh, wait, I can't get this out.
Here, open this. You open with the scissors. Here, open with the scissors.
I like it.
What's that? Show mo.
This? That?
It's a
Devotion. Oh, this?
Show the book. Devotional.
Devotion.
Okay.
Devotion. Here, open this one.
I can
Open
read this
this one.
sometime.
Open this one.
What is this?
Sometimes every day.
Wait, let me read this.
Sleep.
Brothers, always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and love more. Thank you now.
Then you know.
Loved you more. Then you know. Sorry. I was reading it all wrong. Okay, thank you. I actually I can read this.
You're welcome.
This turn.
Okay.
Lagyan mo muna dyan. Balik ba?
Let's see. Whose is this? Is this mine? Is this mine? Oh no, this is mine. Let's see. The name. Where's the name?
Put this somewhere.
I
I want to
can't
put
see a
this
name, so
somewhere.
I'm not gonna open that one.
Where? Can I see? Can I see?
Can
Can I see?
Here, this one. Is this one?
church. Galing sa church.
Yeah.
Wait, who's this? Oh, to Fritz.
Oh, that's that.
To Fritz. This is from me.
Ayan, oh, ayan. Eh, show them, show them. There.
Here, look. It's from our church. Here.
Anton.
From our church.
Yeah, from my church.
Yeah, we're gonna open it together because
What
we got
does
the
it say?
same one.
Yeah.
Okay. Fritz.
It's from
Ooh,
to Aljon Sanduko
I got mine.
from UMC. It's a really good church. And I
Wow.
How much money is this?
That card.
Oh, it's a Chick-fil-A card.
Okay.
How do I
Sabihin
know?
niyo.
Goldfish.
How do I know how much money I have?
What did it say? Sa church.
It says. Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kisses.
Wait,
Yeah, I want this. I want this.
Wait,
I
what's
actually
this?
like this.
How much money is this?
What is that?
How much money
I
is
think
it?
that's for both of you.
No, I have one.
I don't have one.
Wait, really?
Kaya nga, dalawa na nga
I
binigyan
have
ng
treats.
free.
I have the same treat as you.
Dalawa yung
Look
mask,
at
tag-isa
this,
kayo.
the mask thing. Do you have it?
No.
Kaya tag-isa kayo ng mask, tapos hati kayo dyan sa food.
Ooh, can I eat this? I want to eat this.
Oh yeah, we can share the mask too because you don't have any. Okay, I want this one. Here you go. You can have the other one. I want this one. Okay. Okay.
Para magamit kayo mamaya kasi tayo Tita Cyrene.
Okay.
Burger.
Oh, we got.
Thanks for the
We got a
kisses.
snack. We got a snack. Okay. Kuya, go look for one.
Oh.
It
Our
says-
final gift that we're gonna open.
It says to Alden and Fritz, Merry Christmas. From gorgeous mommy and a handsome daddy.
I'm not sure what the handsome part is.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. Okay. Let's
1, 2, 3, go!
oh no, I'm looking for it.
What is it?
What is it? Oh, it's this.
It's the basketball
A
court.
basketball court. I love this. I wanna.
Oh, okay.
Oh, a basketball. Already found it. Woo!
Get a ball.
We got a ball and a basket. Wait.
Hoop.
Oh.
I'm gonna play this outside.
Me too. I'm gonna play this all day, every day.
Me and the baby.
Hey, don't twist it over. Hey! Oh! Hey, don't twist it over. You're twisting it over.
Well, yeah, because we have to get the bottom.
Okay, let's get the bottom.
It's okay
Ah!
na.
It's okay.
That's okay, bakit tumapos pa yan? Tama na yun, okay na yan. Open nyo na.
We're gonna open
Wait,
the
there's
cake.
also one for
Okay, lagay mo yung ball
Jesus.
dun sa ibabaw.
There's one for Jesus.
Okay nga, lagay mo dun sa ibabaw.
Okay, how?
Yung ball
Oh,
lagay mo sa ibabaw.
there's one from Jesus. It says this.
Okay,
There's one from
okay.
Jesus. Okay,
Okay?
So now,
Wait.
we're going to open the one from Jesus. It says it right here. It says,
ito,
be
ito.
thankful.
Ito mo lagay. Dalawa kayo ni Kuya.
Oh, okay.
Ano ba yan? Sa inyong dalawa yan, di ba? Tingnan
Yeah,
mo na.
it says, be thankful for all the blessings you have this year.
So,
Aljon and Fritz, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love Jesus.
Wait, it's smaller. Okay, it got
There's
smaller.
nothing on the bottom. I think it got even smaller.
What?
What's that? What's that?
What is this?
What's this?
Wait, what is
Huh?
Is that a pregnancy test?
Is that a pregnancy test?
It looks like it.
Pregnant two. One's barely. Does that still count? It says pregnant two stripes, not pregnant one stripe. There's two.
Meron pa din.
Wait a minute. Wait, it's still getting
Oh,
smaller.
there's another one. Wait, what?
Oh wait, what? There's two. Okay, hold on. Mommy is pregnant. Congratulations! Yay! Yay! Mommy got two pregnancy tests.
Both positive, so mommy's really pregnant.
Yay! Mommy's pregnant. I've been asking for a baby.
Wow, okay, so that's the
There's
present
gonna
from
be a
Jesus.
new addition to the family. A family.
Yeah, what can you say, Kuya?
Thank you.
You're Kuya again. Huh?
Huh?
You're Kuya
And I'm
again.
gonna be a middle child.
Huh?
I'm gonna be a middle child.
And you're gonna be a Kuya.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a on this video. We are now finally happy because we're getting a new baby. A new baby.
So wait.
My mom is pregnant. My mom is pregnant. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Like,
For more
subscribe.
notification every time we post a new video.
Okay, bye guys. We're going to just jump on Joy.
I definitely enjoyed that. That was a surprise.